For many years, one of the leading utility players in the country, Madan Lal proved his value to the side both with his courageous middle-order batting and his nippy medium-pace bowling. He was useful both in Test cricket as he proved while bowling India to victory over England at Bombay in 1981 or by rescuing the country by scoring a gallant 74 against Pakistan at Bangalore in 1983, and in the one-day game he was one of the heroes of the 1983 World Cup winning side and earned his name by his spell of 3 quick wickets that broke the back of the West Indies batting in the final. He was first picked for the 1974 tour of England based largely on some outstanding performances around the domestic circuit. He remained an integral part of the Indian team till the 1977-1978 tour of Australia. Then for some inexplicable reason, he was out of the side till he was brought back for the series against England in 1981-1982. He performed commendably, proving that he had received a raw deal from the selectors for 3 years, and was then a regular member of the team till 1985. Replaced by younger medium pacers, Madan Lal was brought back for 2 tests. In England in 1986 he wasn't a member of the touring squad but was playing in league cricket and again did well. At the domestic level, Madan Lal was both a prolific run-getter and regular wicket-taker, frequently rescuing his team from a bad start or by taking some quick wickets. His all-round record in the Ranji Trophy 50 to 70 runs and 351 wickets is one of the best in the national competition. After retirement, he kept in close touch with the game by becoming the coach of the A-team and later the senior squad and then a national selector. Madan Lal debuted in Test cricket against England at Manchester on 6 June 1974. His last Test match was also against England at Leeds on 19 June 1986. Madan Lal debuted in ODI cricket against England at Leeds on 13 July 1974. His last ODI match was against Pakistan at Hyderabad on 20 March 1987. Madan Lal played 39 Test matches, 62 innings, and scored 1042 runs with a low batting average of 22.65. His highest score of 74 against Pakistan at Bangalore in 1983 goes in vain as the Test ended in a dull draw. Despite this fact, he was declared man of the match in that Test. He hits 5 half-centuries along with 1 six in his entire Test career. As a fielder he took 15 catches. Madan Lal also took 71 wickets with a bowling average of 40.08 in Test cricket. His best bowling of 5 for 23 against England at Wankhede, Mumbai, in 1981 helps India to win the match by 138 runs. Madan Lal played 67 ODI matches, 35 innings, and scored 401 runs in his entire ODI career with a low batting average of 19.09. His ODI strike rate is 62.17. His highest ODI score of 53 not out against England at the Oval in 1982 goes in vain as India lost that ODI by 114 runs. As a fielder, he took 18 catches. He also took 73 wickets with a very good bowling average of 29.27. His best bowling of 4 for 20 against Australia at Chelmsford in Prudential World Cup 1983 helps India to win the match by 118 runs. Madan Lal had a fantastic first-class record. He played 232 matches, 327 innings, and scored 10,204 runs with a strong batting average of 42.87. His highest score in first-class cricket is 223. He has 22 centuries in his kitty. He also took 625 wickets with a super strong bowling average of 25.50 in first-class cricket. In List A cricket, Madan Lal played 111 matches, 71 innings, and scored 1,171 runs. He also took 119 wickets with a very good bowling average of 30.20.